You've probably noticed that some applications on your smartphone draw a rectangle around the face as a result of face detection. How easy would it be to make something like that? You don't need to install anything for this example. We'll use a web page that lets you program your application in Scratch. Open your web browser and go to https://machinelearningforkids.co.uk/scratch3/. Load video sensing and face detection extensions and plug in your web camera. Don't worry if you don't have a webcam. We will upload a picture with a face later. Delete cat sprite by clicking on trashcan icon. Choose the option to paint a new sprite. Create a rectangle with no fill and set the outline to 5 and color to red for use as the bounding box. Go to the Code tab and begin with the When flag is clicked block, then enable the video and set the transparency to 0. Place 4 blocks inside the forever loop for the bounding box sprite to set the layer, size, position, and text after it is detected. Use the green flag to start the code if you have a webcam. You can upload the sprite with face from your computer if you don't have a webcam. Try moving the face sprite around and changing its size to see how the bounding box reacts. It's that simple. Congratulations, you've done it.